In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a page in Confluence. Whether you're new to Confluence or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can efficiently manage your content. So let's dive right in. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to your Confluence dashboard. This is your central hub for all projects and documents, so you'll often start here whenever you're accessing or managing Confluence content. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and do so, and then find yourself on the landing page that says For You in Confluence. Once you're at the dashboard, focus on locating the specific workspace that houses the page you'd like to copy. This is important because Confluence organizes content into spaces, much like folders on your computer, to keep everything tidy and categorized based on teams or projects. So click into the appropriate space to proceed. Now that you're in the correct workspace, it's time to find the precise page you're looking to copy. Browse through the list or use the search function if there are many pages, making it easier to locate exactly what you need. Once you've found the desired page, move your cursor to the three dots positioned at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on these will open a drop-down menu with several options related to page management. Within this menu, look for the option labeled Copy. Selecting this will initiate the process of duplicating the page. This tool is very useful because it allows you to take an existing page with all of its formatting and content intact and create a new version elsewhere in your workspace or across different spaces in Confluence. Keep in mind, this is especially handy when you want to maintain consistency across documents or need to reuse content with slight variations. After clicking Copy, you'll likely be prompted to choose a destination for your new page. Decide where in your workspace or potentially a different space entirely you want the copy to reside. Confirm your choice, and Confluence will generate the duplicate page, which you can start editing immediately if needed. The whole process in Confluence is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, but making it an excellent tool for collaborating on and managing documentation in teams. Remember, maintaining clear naming conventions and organizing pages logically helps immensely as your project grows. And there you have it, a straightforward way to copy a page in Confluence. This simple task, when mastered, can significantly streamline your workflow in content creation and project management within the platform. As you spend more time with Confluence, you'll uncover even more features that enhance productivity and collaboration. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check out more of our tutorials for additional tips and tricks on effectively using Confluence.